Hello guys, welcome back to the new video of IPCS Digital. Today I have come up with a very helpful topic related to Facebook. How to download Facebook page data. So let's log into Facebook and see what all steps we need to follow for downloading page data. So here I am taking my page IPCS tutorial. The first step is to click Settings tab on the top of the page. When you scroll down, you can see an option Download Page. Click on the respective Edit button. As you can see in the screen, you will get a link to download the page. Click on that. You will be led to the next screen where you can select the data date range, download format and media quality. You can download posts, photos and videos, events, page information, and it also provides with an option to select required files. Now click on the Create File button. So now Facebook is preparing the copy of my file. I can download it once it is ready. And you can also cancel the process in the midway if you don't want to download the data. Finally, my file is ready. Download the data by clicking the button. As you can see, I got a zip file with all the required data. So guys, that's all for today. Hope you all liked the video. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned, stay updated.